Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has slammed the opposition India bloc for staging protest against the budget 2024. He also said that the opposition should not resort to abuse and unruly behavior inside the parliament. He alleged that these parties have resorted to insulting the Prime Minister and the mandate of the people. Now, Rijiju also urged the Congress-led bloc to let the House function smoothly in the ongoing monsoon parliament session, and that he would welcome all the meaningful questions and issues for discussions coming from the opposition parties. Now let's in fact listen to what he said in the parliament.
ये मॉनसून सत्र है और एक तरीके से ये बजट सत्र ही है। तो इस मॉनसून सेशन में जो बजट पेश किया गया, कल बजट का पहला दिन था चर्चा का, और कल की चर्चा में आप सबने देखा होगा एक शानदार बजट मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में ऐतिहासिक तीसरी टर्म का पहला बजट पेश होने के बाद देश ये देखना चाहते हैं कि बजट पे चर्चा अच्छी तरह से हो, सार्थक हो, ये सब चाहते हैं। कल ऑपोजिशन पार्टी के कुछ मेंबर, खास करके कुछ दल के नेताओं ने जिस तरीके से बजट के समय में टिप्पणी की और जैसे भाषण दिया, मैं उसको सबसे पहले तो खंडन करना चाहता हूं कि बजट सेशन का गरिमा को नीचे गिरा करके इन्होंने सदन का अपमान भी किया है। प्रधानमंत्री जी ने पहले ही कह दिया कि दल के लिए जो कुछ करना था चुनाव में किया है, अब देश के लिए सबको मिलकर काम करना है। दल के लिए नहीं, देश के लिए अगले 5 साल देश के लिए सबको करना है, प्रधानमंत्री जी ने अपील किया। कल विपक्ष के लोग ने बजट के बारे में कुछ नहीं कहा, सिर्फ राजनीति की है। 2 चीजें विपक्ष के लोगों ने किया है कल। पहला तो देश का जनादेश, जनता का जनादेश को अपमान किया है और प्रधानमंत्री जी को गाली देने का काम विपक्ष के लोगों ने किया है। ये लोकतंत्र के लिए ठीक नहीं है।
All right. Now, of course, the showdown on the budget discussions, even in the parliament, continues as the opposition continues to up its ante against the union budget that was released by Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman, opposing it and calling it the budget of only of the allies. Now, we have heard the Parliamentary Affairs Minister saying that no one in the parliament should resort to any sort of abuse and not use unparliamentary language. Now we have our correspondent Anand Singh joining us. Anand, recently response from the central government and of course Union Parliamentary Affairs Minister Kiren Rijiju has come to many allegations that have come from the Congress and the NCP and the Indy bloc members and senior leaders especially. Now he's saying and also urging the Speaker of the House to take action and initiate action immediately when someone is disrupting the proceedings of the House and not letting the House function. What more details do we have on the politics that has been heating up in the budget showdown?
Yeah, Simran, look, today Union Minister Kiren Rijiju came down heavily on the opposition led by the Congress, especially the India bloc, as he targeted them for not speaking on the budget, whereas only disrupting the House and not allowing the House to function properly. And it comes a day after the India bloc leaders had staged a protest in Parliament alleging that the budget was discriminatory. At his only mentioned budget and it allocated budgets for its ally partners, especially in Bihar and Andhra Pradesh, whereas it left out the states ruled by the India bloc partners. And it was the reason, it was a standoff point between the two, the ruling party and the opposition led by India, as the India bloc have also alleged that this budget is a Kursi Bachao budget. So hitting out at the opposition, Kiren Rijiju said that the opposition was not doing any discussion on the budget that was presented by Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman on Tuesday in the Parliament, and whereas they were only indulging in politics. And he also mentioned that the opposition bloc are trying to insult the mandate, and they are also lowering the dignity of the House by raising slogan and not speaking on budget, whereas they are only doing politics on the same. And he also mentioned that the Prime Minister Narendra Modi has earlier mentioned that the elections have passed and whatever allegations they have to put during the elections, they have put on the government, and now it was time to work for the country. And for the next 5 years, they must participate in the parliamentary proceeding, whereas it's not their intention, and they are clearly trying to not respect the mandate of the people that the people have given in the elections as NDA emerged victorious. And he also urged the Speaker to take action on the MPs, opposition MPs who are not allowing the House to function. And we have also seen several instances in the Parliament yesterday when a Speaker has to intervene to the opposition leaders. Especially, I would like to mention about Abhishek Banerjee, who is from Trinamool Congress. When he mentioned about demonetization, he was interrupted by the Speaker Om Birla, and he said that the demo happened 8 years ago. Why we need to discuss this now? To which Abhishek Banerjee mentioned that even if Nehru can be discussed after 60 years, then why can't this be issued? So these were the fireworks that happened in the Parliament yesterday. And
for more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.